Big Mac meal, please.
You spend a lot of time ferrying the kids around. But with free breakdown cover and up to 15% off your car insurance, we'll help make the cost a little more bearable. And we'll give you double nectar points on Sainsbury's shopping for 2 years. Sainsbury's Finance. Makes shopping more rewarding.
At Asda, we know you like to save. That's why we've got thousands of the brands you like to buy every week for just £1. So, freshen up with this range of toiletries. Restock with all these groceries. Or refuel with some of these tasty snacks. Just some of your favourite brands available at Asda for only £1. Asda, saving you money every day.
January. Mum said it's going to be a long month. Wolfskin, apparently. Yeah, we're just going to have to economise.
Every penny matters right now. So as well as crunching prices, we're giving you the chance to win your shopping for free. Every day throughout January, in every store throughout Britain, 5 people will win their shopping. That's free shopping for over 15,000 people every week at Morrison's.
Don't cook, just eat.
Order from local takeaways online.
You know, like when you're pulling them round.